The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall, skilla.
See, laughing at my old house. So it had nobody who in laugh until who come out of our old house like doctors and lawyers now, boy. But wait. Now you're watching the old house. Now I'm going to show you the bathroom. Now please bear in mind, this is the least amount of emphasis that most people, when they're now starting, just put on a house with respect to the bathroom. So don't watch my old house. Let me show you how inside the bathroom looking at. What are you telling yourself? So don't study the old house. Watch the bathroom now. Watch the toilet area. Right? Watch it. So you talk about my old house. If this is how the bathroom will look, imagine when the house finished. You stupid loose neck chicken.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Never judge a book by its cover. I believe in that metaphorical phrase, you see me? However, I questioned some of the things that have been shown in this video, you see me? And the reason why I questioned some of the things shown in this video is because this video contains pieces of videos that have been put together and put out there on social media. And I'm wondering if those pieces of videos are from one video or if they had been recorded at the same place. Yes, I said to you? Yeah, because some of the times you have persons out there on social media who will put different pieces of videos together to create a certain type of idea that they want to create. You understand? But anyways, the point is that I like the way how the bathroom look. It looks good. You see what I say? So, you know, I want to say big up to whosoever own that bathroom or whosoever build that bathroom or so on. You know, big them up. The bathroom look good. You see what I said to you? Yeah. But anyways, I'm just telling you what I think, but you can let me know what you think about the edited video that I presented to you. You see me? You can let me know if you believe that the whole video is actually true or if you do not believe everything that had been shown in the video. You see me? You can let me know what you think. Alright, now I'm going to move on to another video right about now, viewers and subscribers, and the next video I'm going to present to you. This video is going to show a person standing in a waterway. You see me? Some persons might call the waterway a drainage basin. Some persons might call it a gully. You know, different countries might give it different names. However, the person was seen standing in the waterway and water was running in that waterway. So may I say to you, and according to some things that have been said in the video and according to some things that have been said on social media about the video, it is said that the video shows a man who said that he wanted to go to Venezuela. You see me? See it? And some places on social media, it is said that the man was trying to go to Venezuela. Now, viewers and subscribers, this video had been recorded within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to when the video had been recorded. However, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it. You can also let me know what you think. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Come on, family, back. Come out. Come from the bottom of you, right? Yeah, you see, you want to go Venezuela. Come on, boy. I'm you crazy, yeah. Boy, come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come out of it now. Boy, come on, boy. Come on now. Yeah, come on now. Oh, man, you like a fucking boat, come out. Boy, come on, boy. Yeah, fuck you. Come on, daddy. Fuck, I'm TV, boy. Come on, daddy. Come on. All that happening here. Come on, daddy. Come on, daddy. I waited. Let's allow fucking me. All right. Just going to fuck you. Let's allow me. See you all off that? You're off that? All over.
Why you playing the ass here? Come on, okay. It's a pass. This is Yanoma pass, it's a pass gone. Oh, fucking it's a pass. But come on, fucking place now, boy. What do you want to know, boy? That's happened. You are the fisher. You say Venezuela? You're going Venezuela. What's the answer? What skill? You know fucking coming. Oh, you end up there, boy. We pass, boy. No. No pelting. Well, put my next side now, there. Go ahead, put my next side. Yeah, go down there, help him, boy. Come out of there, boy. What do you, boy? Somebody else came, no help you, boy. Yeah, you lucky that water, fucking Venezuela. Yeah, come on, Venezuela. You ask him. Come on, well, look up there, you up. Venezuela! Boy, come out of there, boy. Where you going yourself, boy? Don't go there, boy. Don't go there. Nakai, you go help yourself. Where you going, boy? Why is he here, boy? Wait there, boy. Yeah, boy, come out of there, boy. One to you. Come on there, boy. Well, anyway. You come on there, you climb up there. You climb on that side. Yeah, you come on there. What do you, boy? Nah, you will make it, man. Pagu hole him. You can reach it. Now, Pagu move, come up. Yeah, the PVC, they go step on the PVC. What kind of dance is this? Watch it.
It's not I'm gonna fall in there.
Nah, watch. Look you outside. You're outside. You're gonna play in the ass. Let's do it now. Crack him with my big son. He's playing the ass. How can I antics with fucking you? How can I antics with you, boys? Fuck I see here, boy. This is trainers. Real madman. Think he punching and going on the river. What is this? Hey, Solia, how you take care here? Fuck I see here, boy. Man go down the river, boy. I said we can't see what we're going to see, boy. Massive Venezuela. You going Venezuela. What the fuck I see here, boy? You want to go Venezuela? Hey, you want to go Venezuela? Venezuela? Take your fucking time. No, take your time. Where you want to go? Where want to go, Venezuela?
I told you, Asian police law. Asian law, Maturin.
In Maturin?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're mad like fuck.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, mad
I garments, suppliers, and Venezuela. I told you, Asian law. I tell you that, we are now different. Know me? Cuba, other places. India, Africa. What my whole international authority is in law.
Are you mad? No fuck, boy.
I know that.
Now, one of the reasons why I presented this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because this video is being talked about on social media. You see me? I mean, many comments have been made about this video on social media, and it's getting a little buzz. You see me? I said to you, the thing what I don't understand about this video is why would this person stand in that waterway? See me? It's dangerous. Viewers and subscribers, let me tell you something, you see? Some person might call it drainage basin, some persons might call it a gully, you see me? Different countries, persons might call it a different name. The point is that, yes, when you stand in a waterway like that is shown in the video, sometimes water can rush from other places within that city or that community, just rush in one heavy rush and just sweep away whosoever or whatsoever is in that waterway. It's dangerous. Rain can be falling somewhere close by to that community, you know, viewers and subscribers, and a lot of that rainwater, especially if it is heavy rainwaters, you see me, a lot of those heavy rainwaters can end up in that waterway, you know, and just make one big push, you know. You understand? And if you look at the video, you see where the water is running somewhat heavy. According to some of the things that have been shown and said in the video, it gives me the understanding that persons shown in that video was concerned about that man's health, you see me, or about that man's life. See me? Look, I don't know what it is that the person was trying to accomplish really, but if the person said that he was trying to go to Venezuela, if it is true, that is definitely not the right and correct way to do so. You see me I say? I don't know what did happen, but my common sense tell me said that is not the correct way to go to Venezuela. You see me I say? Try the airport. You see me? Get your passport. If you need a visa, get your visa. You understand? If there are restrictions and if no flights is allowed to the country, then you wait until certain thing is over. And if you just can't go, you just can't go. But that dangerous what me see, man. You see me? Me not understand what was going to happen. But me not think that is how you go to Venezuela. If that is how he's trying to go to Venezuela. And that is if, alright? I am glad that he came out of that waterway. You see? I am glad that no one got hurt. And I hope that he don't do something like that again. You see me? I hope that no one do anything like that again. It's dangerous. You see? Alright, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video, and big up and respect to each and every one. And until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.